Already in 5 minutes, that sun has moved to an awful position. Hey y'all, Bear here. Happy SPAMtember. That's right, Spam singles this week, and we're going international. That's right, we're going to do Hong Kong style Spam and eggs macaroni soup. Well, sort of. Okay, so the recipe calls for elbow macaroni, our Spam, chicken bouillon, black pepper, soy sauce, sesame oil, egg, sweet peas, and corn. And we're going to talk about how we might do this backpacking. Now, if I'm backpacking, I might not want to take this long cook of the elbow noodles. So I'm going to sub in today some Lipton extra noodle soup, and this has already got my chicken. Broth, so we're losing that. Another idea is you could use the old ramen noodles, chicken flavor or creamy chicken. So we got our Lipton, we got our Spam single. You got the old dehydrated corn and sweet peas from Harmony House. So all of this, we're rolling backpacker style, right? But I got a question for you. It calls for a little drizzle of the sesame oil, which would be nice, but how are you going to take that backpacking with you? What's your little trick to take a little bit of sesame oil to put in your soup? Anyhows, let's get to cooking. We're going to kind of do this. I'm going to sub in some frozen peas and corn and save my dehydrated vegetables. But let's cook. Stop talking, Bear. I'm hungry. Goodness. What's first? We got fried Spam. But you know what? If you're not a Spam fan, you put you some chicken in there, cut you up a fatty sausage. You got options. It's your soup. You don't have to follow the recipe. Make your own. We need Spam. We need chunked up Spam. We got to fry up the Spam. That's the first part of the recipe. So, got the singles for the backpacking. Oh yeah. I like to take my old Victorinox walker with me backpacking. It's perfect for knocking out some duties like this. And we need fire. Fire, 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 fire. What do you think? For the Spam, we'll just start it off right into the soup pot. I'm gonna give it a little bit of oil. Now the egg brings up a whole nother question. Ooh, Spam on sizzle. Oh, come on, you anodized aluminum. I'll put you some oil in there. No sticky. My word. Isn't that slightly annoying? Now, if I got to camp and I was going to cook this, I would just get my vegetables hydrating up first. Let them hang out in some water, some cold water for about 20 minutes. And then your quick cooked noodles are going to be all they need to heat up. I'll go ahead and add these vegetables. Give them a little mix in with the Spam. Going in with a cup and a half of water. Let's see if I can't get some of those Spam bits up. Might give us just another gurgle of water. We'll call her 2 cups. And there's no reason to wait for that sucker to come all the way to a boil. I'm going in with my Lipton soup mix. Throw the old lid on and speed up the boil process, huh? Oh, we got boil action. Now we just need about 5 minutes and we'll fry up a quick egg. Going in with a little more cracked black pepper. Alright, we're going in with the soy sauce because that Spam might not have had enough sodium, or the chicken broth. Lidding up the Spam. I'm getting the pan hot for my egg. I'll give this guy a little more oil. I'm scared that sucker's gonna stick. And it still might stick. I don't know. But now here's the question of the day. How are you cooking your egg? How are you taking the egg backpacking with you? Are you? You know, for ease on the trail, if you do carry an egg with you, you could just break it in there, egg drop soup style, and swirl it around and let it cook in the boiling water. It'll do it almost instantly, and then you don't have to clean up a fried egg pan. I'll put my soup in the bowl back here while the egg cooks. Alright, while that egg finishes up, we're going to hit this guy with just a quick hit of the old sesame oil. Just a few little drops. Doesn't take much. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, she's ready. And she's stuck to my pan. Come on. Well, there we go. There's our Hong Kong style Spam and egg macaroni soup. She's ready for us to eat. Dig in. It's hot. It's going to burn my mouth. But let's do that. So if I'm backpacking this in, honestly, I'm probably just skipping the egg. But I'm curious, what would you do? How would you take an egg? I know sometimes you can do the farm fresh eggs and they'll keep for a little while. Or we could do some Ova Easy and just do some scrambled egg in here. Or you could even do these crazy guys. That's right, pickled eggs. They're shelf stable, and you can carry out a package of them and slice them up and drop them in there. And with the soy sauce and the sesame, it might be pretty good. So you tell me, egg or no egg, how are you doing it backpacking? Put it down there in the comments. Now let's give her a taste. We need a little bit of everything here. Come here, give me some egg. There we go, some eggs. Oh yeah, she's a good spoonful. Right there, that's the one. And I tell you, this right here, it's a hearty meal. Oh man, that's really good. That is pretty awesome. And this is easy on the trail. Well, pretty easy. There's easier. But you're not getting it in a mountain house bag. And we'll see you on the trail.